Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So obviously you can tell by the title, and we all know that this makeup bag needs a good clearing out, because obviously, you know, makeup has a life on it, so if you're using out of date stuff. So I am going to empty my makeup and show you what I am getting rid of and what I am keeping. So obviously this is a keep. This is like technically brand new. It's not 12 months old yet, so I will be keeping that. So this MAC compartment foundation thing needs to be thrown away, as that is old. So that is the first thing going in the rubbish. And the second thing, my lovely Too Faced Sweet Peach palette. Now 12 months, it's been over 12 months, so that is going in the bin. Actually, I actually do recommend that palette, so get yourself it. And my MAC mascara, had this for a very long time now. It's just got to go, which I'm very sad, but it's got to go. My Jeffree Star, that is new, so I am keeping that. 24 months, that might be okay. I'm keeping that. That's my Urban Decay Optical Illusion. That is for after you've moisturised, primed, whatever you do, put that on top and it makes your foundation smoother to put on. So that is a keep. Now this is definitely got to go. It's been 6 months. So that's the Too Faced Peach Mist Mattifying Setting Spray. Gotta go. A MAC bronzer. I've used it that much, there isn't no thing on it anymore, but that has to go as well. So that to go. This has 24 months, so that has got to go. I've had this for a very long time. That's a MAC Prep and Prime Natural Radiance, and it's the radial pink one. My Primark highlighter, which I absolutely love, that has to go. 24 months. Strobe cream, that's 24 months. That's nearly gone anyway. That's a MAC strobe cream. What's this one? 6 months. Yep, that's definitely gotta go. My peach primer, that I absolutely love, got to go. Now these I have to throw because they just not hygienic really, is it? Had them for a very long time. In 12 months. With the Sweet Peach Perfect Mattifying Glue Setting Powder, that has to go. I know that is a favourite of mine. I have to get some more of that. Sharpener, that doesn't need to go. This glitter has to go. This is a Body Shop glitter. It's pink glitter, lovely, but got a live shelf on it. This sample has to go. That is new, so I will be that is the Sigma Beauty glitter, so you can put that on your eyeliner or something, pretty much fine. Another sample got to go. This is a MAC lip gloss, got to go. This was my first ever MAC lipstick, so it's obviously gone, so what I'll just do is cut the end off that, and then I think the MAC recycling program is you put six of these in and you get one free. So any old lipstick, I'll just be cutting the ends off and saving these so I could go into MAC and give them 6 and then get another lipstick. So that's what I'll be doing with them, but it is definitely been thrown. The lipstick is inside, is definitely going to be thrown. Makeup brushes, I mean, that's a MAC foundation brush. That all of these just can be cleaned. They are absolutely fine. Just be cleaned. And an eyeliner, MAC eyeliner, has a shelf life of doesn't really say, but I will be happening to throw that, and that is in the colour Black Swan. This is what I got, 12 months. So this is a highlighter. I got that in a glossy box, so that might be, that's okay. My Urban Decay All Nighter, 6 months. That is out of date. So I was going to throw this away anyway because it was making me oily, more oily than I was, even though it says oil free and it is actually recommended for people with my skin. But hey ho, I need a new foundation. That's on my list. And I've got Urban Decay eyeshadow primer, 6 months, got to go. It's Better Than Sex mascara, Too Faced, is 6 months, got to go. £24 months, but isn't a very good one because it's Primark, so that's got to go. And a lighter, that's fine. And these MAC lipsticks, like I said, will be cut off because they're just not, it's been longer than 6 months, and I just don't know why I keep putting 6 months old. Well, I don't know what lipstick it is actually, but I can imagine they're gone now. So that will be three. So another 3 of MAC lipsticks. Then once they're I've had use out of them, I will take them to recycle them so I can get one free. But out of everything, I've got this left, my Jeffree Star, this, I don't know if it's out of date because I've seen someone say when it separates like that, it's gone. So, I don't know if I've had it 24 months or not. So I don't know. So I'm very unsure about that. If 24 months. So when did I make the video about it? I am not sure. But I'm going to keep that just in case. But if it turns out it's been longer than 24 months, then I will have to throw it. And my Jawbreaker has survived, and this. So basically guys, all I have left is makeup brushes, a sharpener, my new stuff that I bought from Beauty Bay, 3 MAC lipsticks, but they are getting cut up and I'm washing them out so I can save them for what I've just said. But that is my bag empty. So I will, may as well just give this a wash in the washing machine. But I knew it was time to get rid of some makeup, so that is all the makeup I have to throw. Obviously it's for your face, so I was out of date stuff is not good to put on your face. That is what I have learned. So yeah guys, that was just a quick video of me just throwing out some stuff that I needed to throw out. So I just thought I'd make a video out of it for you guys. I won't be using an intro as such on all of my videos anymore, because the song in my old my newish intro was actually copyrighted, even though I typed in the internet songs you can't get copyrighted for, but they decided to. So trimming it down and stuff, I mean, I've done this last week, I was trimmed it down and it was still going today, but I just had to delete it. I had to bite the bullet and just delete it, but which I'm very angry about, but there's nothing else I can do. But if you are interested in my reviews of my Jeffree Star products and Beauty Bay, I will put them down below, but I will add my beauty box unboxing and haul on where I normally put my face and my video, and it will be on this side, whatever side. And if you could please subscribe and go and have a look at all my playlists. I have set them all into playlists, into like haul, vlogs, pretty little thing haul, just separated, and it's all more organised now. So it'll be very YouTube friendly. So just click on the playlists, and if you could just like and share and comment please as well, and I will see you guys in the next video.